trained for something higher than this plane. These shackles are now strained. Don't let our enemies mock this soul. Don't let my downfall be their joy. I am vulnerable in thy sight, my Lord. Help me, guide me through this walk. Free me, Lord, and show me the way. A sign or a light to conscience. I am deeply in distress. Please consider my cries for help. Don't let our enemies mock this soul. Don't let my downfall be their joy. I am vulnerable in thy sight, my Lord. Help me, guide me through this walk. The world is yours, oh Most High. Everyone and everything therein. Nothing is impossible in your sight. For my destiny was written as you please. Don't let our enemies mock this soul. Don't let my downfall be their joy. I am vulnerable in thy sight, my Lord. Help me, guide me through this walk. Help me, guide me through this walk.